Today I'm going to be test riding my buddy's 2024 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke, but let's go over all the mods first. So the first mod that sticks out on this bike that I've never heard of, I've never rode with one, is the HITLIS Powervalve system. Basically, it modifies the Powervalve system to make the power very linear and smooth. So I'm assuming that means it might take a little bit of the like two-stroke snap out of it. It's got a DRT pipe over here, but it is an HGS silencer. Sorry about the mud, you can't really see everything. He has a DRT head on this, and the dome within that DRT head is dome C. He has the Boyesen rad valve in here, and he said specifically it's the torque model. It's made specifically for low-end torque. He also has the Boyesen X-Wing in the air boot, Luxon 22mm triple clamps, Luxon handlebar mounts here that he says just has different polymers to help with vibration. These things, which I've never rode before, Fastway extension pegs, Fastway EXT pegs. They have like a little extended piece off the back and a G2 throttle tube. He said it's not the tamer, it's just the throttle tube. That makes it feel nice and smooth and silky. Let's go see if I can get the hang of this thing, and I'll tell you my thoughts. Kickstart, that feels weird. I'm not used to that. We got the fuel on. Alrighty. Man, I forgot how much two-strokes vibrate. This thing vibrates like crazy. Like in your butt, it's vibrating non-stop. The seat is the stock seat, and I'm really not a fan of the Yamaha stock seats. This thing is hard as a rock. Let's see what this thing feels like. Woo! It pulls the front wheel up over all those braking bumps really easily. The power just comes on and lights it up. I'm already instantly feeling that HITLIS Powervalve system. It is so smooth off the bottom. Like, it doesn't have that aggressive, super aggressive two-stroke hit. Oh, it still rips up top. I'm always so shocked at how fast the power is, how fast the power feels when you get in the high revs. Suspension feels really good. All Yamaha stock suspension just feels good. Let's see if we can lug third. Super slow corner. Oh yeah. Third gear. Guys, riding a very wide track, and I'm on someone else's bike, so I'm not confident about passing. See how this thing corners. I love how it floats so easily over jumps. You can feel how lightweight a two-stroke is in the air. Oh! It sounds so crisp. I already know what the comments are going to look like. Y'all are going to say I'm not revving this thing nearly enough. I know, trust me. There we go, revved it out a little bit for you. It's also something that's really great about the YZ250 is because it has so much torque, you don't have to rev it out. Like, I can lug this thing in third gear and still get through all the corners really nicely. A little flick of the clutch and you're through it smooth. Smooth third gear. I'm not used to his clutch. I keep using it really poorly. All right, let's lug fourth gear. Yeah, dude, it's really, really good in the power department. The fact that you can lug but also rev it out makes the power really, really versatile. I like that. That power still pulls really hard, and the no engine braking just makes you really aware of how much you got to use those brakes. The power is extremely smooth. Like, it comes on off the bottom very smooth and linear, but it's still a YZ250 stroke. It still pulls really, really hard. That's why I'm saying I can feel the HITLIS in the bottom. Like, it makes the power roll on really smooth, the power band, but it's still fast. I think it might be a little bit lean at full throttle. When I really hammer it on that little tiny uphill out of that corner, it feels a little bit flat, so it might be a little bit lean. Yeah, I can feel it flatten out a little bit up there. Oh shit, was I in the wrong gear? Was I in second? I also really like the white colorway that Yamaha does. It's a cool option to have. The dirt here today is pretty good. There's only a couple sections that are a little slimy. This is Robert's Track and Trail in Virginia. One of my favorite tracks. Mostly hard pack, but he's got some nice loamy corners today. All right, how does it handle these braking bumps? Oh. God, those acceleration bumps, they suck. So our corners really well, the suspension feels good. Maybe a little bit stiff, especially for woods. I can imagine it's probably stiff in the woods. Power with all these, overjumped the shit out of it. Whoops. Didn't bottom out the suspension because it's pretty stiff motocross suspension. So super smooth power that pulls immediately off the bottom, still revs really fast, really high. If you're a two-stroke guy, obviously you would love this thing. I'm not doing it any justice by riding it as slow and luggy as I am, I'm sure. But hey, that's kind of what it was modified for. So that you can lug it around. Oh my God. That might have been the farthest I've ever OJ'd that jump. Didn't hurt at all. The suspension is stiff, dude. That was no clutch third. All right, that's it, I'm done. My arms are jello. I feel like I'm riding like a squid. This thing may be smooth, but it's still a 252 stroke. Still wears your arms out. Sweet bike. If I rode this thing more often, I could really easily get used to this. The power is so user-friendly. I don't like his clutch. I don't like where he has the clutch like grabbing. I kept messing up on my corners, I think, because of that, but pretty good test ride for not riding a two-stroke in, I don't know, maybe a year or more. Hope you guys enjoyed that test ride video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like down below if you did like the two-stroke content, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. So I mentioned these Fastway EXT pegs in the intro, but I forgot to talk about them while I was riding, because I did not notice them whatsoever. So if you like the idea of this protecting your ankle, but you're worried that it's gonna mess up the feeling on the bike, I swear to you, I did not notice them until I got off the bike, looked at them, saw they were there, and was like, oh yeah, I was riding with those things.